Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to install your AT&T Internet Air and get it running in just a few minutes. First, unbox your AT&T Internet Air kit. Inside, you'll find the All-Fi hub, power adapter, internet cable, and quick start guide. Pick the best spot for your hub, near a window for the strongest signal, and close to a power outlet. Plug in the power adapter to your hub and wait for the lights to turn on. This means your device is starting up. On your phone or laptop, connect to the Wi-Fi name shown on the label of your hub. Open the AT&T Smart Home Manager app or go to 192.168.1.254 in your browser. Follow the on-screen steps to activate your service and set your Wi-Fi name and password. Wait until the light on your hub turns solid. That means you're connected. And that's it. Your AT&T Internet Air is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.